Fab-all and 10 Toes Down. I wanted to send special prayers to Birdmartinez. She's one of my favorite YouTubers, and it's taken me days to not try to make the video, but I wanted to know, to let all the bird gang know that God is in complete control, and I wanted to let Erica Birdmartinez know that I love you, and anyone can see that you're a genuine person, and you've been a blessing to us all, and I can't wait to see you come back and to see God's miraculous healing on your life. And I thank you for being an inspiration. I will end this video soon. Instead of more crying, I'm like, bitch, get yourself under control to make the video, but it's going to have to be pretty short. And to the family, Mario, and to the kids, healing, blessings, God's comfort and peace over your life, and you'll be a living testimony forever. For the mighty name of our Savior. Last time that I checked, it was 5 chains on my... Hello, D Fab-all and 10 Toes Down. We're ready today. We're going to do a brown sugar cookie and maybe some with a little coffee glaze to cure our Thanksgiving food blues or overeating blues. Cure it with something sweet. Stay tuned.
This was coming in melted butter. We're going to mix that up together. Add 1 large egg at room temperature and mix well. Okay, we're just going to set that to the side. Separate bowl, we're going to add 2 cups of flour and the rest of our dry ingredients, which is going to be 1 teaspoon of baking soda, ½ teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, or I like to add a little bit more, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to mix all our dry ingredients together. Guys, while we were watching this, and I don't have anything else to say about the recipe now, I would like to encourage you to please go to Birdmartinez's page. If you don't know who Bird is, I would encourage you to find out, because she's a really good YouTuber and she's a really good person. And she was, I don't want to say an accident, but she was attracted by her brother-in-law who stabbed her and her husband. She needs prayers right now. If you go to her page and support in any way, this is teaspoon of vanilla, clear vanilla to our wet batter before we mix in our flour and dry mixture. Okay, so we're going to add half of our dry mixture to our wet buttered sugar one and stir it well and mix it up. Here's our dough after we mixed it, and I did let it sit in the fridge for around 2 minutes. Prepared everything else in the oven and butter in the pan and just getting ready. We're going to roll it into maybe possibly 12 equal balls and put onto the pan, our grease pan. Taking a spoon and pressing them down to make them a little more uniform that way. We're not going to leave them to ball. So this will help me with my little glaze icing later on. We're going to bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes until browned. Our coffee glaze. We'll use 1 cup of powdered sugar because I love coffee. And even though I'm not putting on all of them because not everybody loves coffee in my family as much as I do. I love this shit. Add a tablespoon of espresso powder, the instant powder. Add a tablespoon of evaporated milk. As you'll see, I need a little bit more, not very much more, but a little bit more to get it to the desired consistency that I wanted for my icing. So half bowl of pure vanilla for extra flavor. Just added a dash of ground cinnamon. All golden brown, ready for our little drizzle of icing and everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to watch all of our videos. Once again, stay strong. And no doubt these cookies were delicious. And they give me a rush of coffee that I needed, that rush of caffeine, boom. I'm in love. Plain brown sugar cookies before, but these were excellent. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya!